Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Quizlet. So Quizlet is a great technology application to use in your classroom because it can really help students um, understand and go over and review different concepts that you need to have them know for different quizzes, assessments. And it's just really great to have them review and know exactly what they need to know that's on the test. So you're going to go onto Quizlet.com. And I already set up an account, so it just logged me straight into that account. But to create a flashcard set, you're going to go to Create. And then we're going to make this chapter these flashcards on multiplication. Oops. All right, there we go. So it's really simple. So you just enter the term. So we could do, let's see, 3 times 5. And then Quizlet's actually really nice, and it kind of helps you out, gives you a shortcut, and it even gives you the answer, which is great. So before you move on, you just want to choose the language that you're going to use. So we're going to use English, but you can obviously use any language that you want to use. And then what's really cool with Quizlet too is you can add images or a voice recording to each flashcard if you would like. We're not going to do that today, but that's definitely a cool tool that you can use. So we're going to do a couple more. Let's do 5 times 7. Let's see, 35. And then let's do 3 times 6. And our answer is right there. And it's already in English because we set that up with the first one. And then when you're done, right here, if you need to add more cards, that's what you click. We're going to press Create. And what's really nice is if you want to share the set, so let's say you make a set for your classroom on vocabulary words or different concepts that you want them to have pat down, you can share this link with your students, or you could add it to your class or a folder that you have and then share it if you're not quite ready to share the direct link with them yet. And this is what the cards look like pretty much. So 3 times 5, and to get the other side of the flashcard, you just click and you get the answer. And to go, you just keep going. 5 times 7, 35. I really love Quizlet. I definitely plan on integrating it into my future classroom. I want to be a middle school English teacher, so I feel like it's a great resource for students to use with vocabulary because they can get the definition, get the word, just keep going until they have all them, and that's definitely going to help with their test scores and building their vocabulary. So I know that I've personally used Quizlet, and I'm definitely going to encourage my friends, my other students, and all my future students to use Quizlet because I just think it's a great resource that everyone should really be using. And I hope that you guys got to learn something about Quizlet today too.